Is it time to buy or sell SPY ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into SPY. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 26th of September, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 11th of September 2024, our system has classified SPY as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 4.08. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 3.22%. This equates to an average return of 0.27% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is situated in the upper segment of a weak rising trend in the short term. This typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout at the upper trend line, priced at $577.52, would initially indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 2.8% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 5.41% to 3.74%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 31.51% over the next year, with a potential return between 23.72% and 36.66%. This translates to a price range of $708.06 to $782.11 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the SPY ETF reveals that it closed at $572.30 on Thursday, following a gain of 0.396%. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 26th of September, 2024, the SPY ETF price increased by 0.396%, rising from $570.04 to $572.30. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced fluctuations, moving 0.84% from a low of $569.90 to a high of $574.71. The price has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days, marking an overall increase of 2.36% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume rose on the last day in tandem with the price, indicating a positive technical sign, with a total of 8 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 41 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $23.32 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF reached $574.71, while the lowest was $409.21. Currently, the price sits 0.42%, or $2.41, below the 52-week high of $574.71, which also stands as the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500 ETF, known as SPY, has demonstrated remarkable resilience in the year 2024, continuing its strong performance from the previous year. This success is driven by robust growth in key sectors and major holdings such as Nvidia and Meta. The backdrop of decreasing inflation and the beginning of a rate cut cycle bodes well for sustained gains in SPY, which could enhance investor confidence in the near term. However, there are warning signs. Peak optimism among investors, reflected in a record equity allocation and low cash reserves, suggests a potential market correction may be on the horizon. This enthusiasm, combined with high options activity, raises concerns about a possible downturn, especially if economic conditions shift unexpectedly. Moreover, the recent Federal Reserve's aggressive interest rate cuts have introduced volatility into the market. While this typically supports higher stock prices in the short term, it also brings uncertainty, which can lead to increased market fluctuations as traders respond to evolving economic indicators. In the longer term, the risks of a recession loom, with experts urging a cautious approach. They recommend raising cash positions and reducing exposure to lower quality stocks. This strategy indicates a growing preference among investors for liquidity and safety, which could place pressure on SPY if sentiment shifts. Overall, while SPY's current trajectory appears positive, a combination of internal and external factors may create a delicate balance impacting its valuation in both the short and long term. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The chart today indicates mostly positive signals. The SPY exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal arising from the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at $569.13 and $556.10. A breakdown below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, August 30th, 2024, and so far the stock has increased by 1.53%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal is indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical signal. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a buy signal 19 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. The short-term moving average revealed a buy signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 14 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 28 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average displayed a buy signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 36 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 210 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level, stemming from accumulated volume at $543.01 and $532.90. There is an inherent risk when an ETF tests a support level. If this level is breached, the ETF may decline to the next support level. In this scenario, SPY finds support just below today's level at $543.01. Should this level be broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $532.90 and $517.38. Generally, the ETF exhibits very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low for this stock. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $4.81 between its high and low, which is a change of 0.84%. In the last week, the ETF has experienced a daily average volatility of 0.631%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine the right moment to exit. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $543.01. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $545.17, which represents a decrease of 4.74%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits low daily movements, contributing to a lower risk profile. However, the relative strength index over 14 days stands at 87, which significantly increases the risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 37 days ago. Is SPY ETF a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for SPY ETF to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 27th of September, we anticipate SPY to open up by a fraction of a cent and start trading at $572.30. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.